gassing me up too much, sis. Thank you. Please, how did you get this thing on your head? Cause I've not seen this kind of thing before and it looks good. This hair is from Nadula Hair. Nadula? Me, I've not heard of that one before. Which one is Nadula Hair? So make sure you go check out their information in my description box. Did you not have a YouTube channel? You have a YouTube? What? Come on, go check out my description box. All the information is inside and I'll be dropping some bars. So like, but yeah, subscribe while you're at it. Please, I will subscribe, of course. Click all the links. Yeah, if I don't do it like them, who gonna do it like them? You know what I mean? Come on. I've been missing. Try, see my hair. My hair needs work, like every day, bonnet. Me, I'm tired. Okay guys, now let's get straight into this video. Inside. Hey Alexa, shut up. Alexa, stop. Bro, Alexa, don't ruin my videos. So the hair comes with the hair. Okay, I'll show you guys the hair once I show you everything in the box. It comes with a wig cap, as every wig comes, like every wig box and packaging always comes with wig caps, so that's good. I have so many of these now and I always lose them somehow. I don't know, or they get dirty or destroyed and shrink because of glue, so this is good to have. So thank you, Nadula Hair. And then my favorite thing that it comes with, another one. It comes with another of this, and it's my favorite color. This is lilac or something, but okay, it's my favorite color is purple, and purple is close to this, so I have another one. Let me open it to see what it looks like. I think it has pink inside of it, which is really cool. I like pink too. Oh, it's so cute. Like, it's giving ombre vibes. Yes. And I like that. I don't know if this is their icon or something, but it's really cute. So it's for laying down your baby hair. So I have two now. So excited. Thank you, Nadula Hair. Okay, so this is the wig straight out of the box. It's so shiny and I love its natural curls already. It's so nice. It comes with these, it comes with 3 pins, 3 combs. Comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 right here. And then it's regular lace. I believe this is a 13 by 4 inch parting space. And you can tell it's a lace frontal. This hair definitely needs plucking because as you can see, it's so bulky at the front and it needs to be bleached for sure because not fun. I'm just gonna do my test to see as I pull the hair if it's shedding. So I brush through it. I love how soft it is. It's super soft. It's so nice. Ooh, and it looks like it's gonna keep its curls. Like, can you see as I'm combing it out, and then the curls are literally just coming back into, like, it's just bouncing back. This is lips. But yeah, it's shedding a little bit, but it's not that much shedding. So it's expected to shed this hair, but yeah, let's bleach these knots. So before, and I'm gonna show you guys after.
Hey guys, nothing new, nothing fancy. I'm just using the same technique that I used in my previous video, so you guys can go check that video out up in the cards, and obviously like, comment, and subscribe if you're loving this video so far. So I'm just gonna play some cool chill music, and then you can just vibe, and if you would like to skip forward, you can also skip forward to the final results. But yeah, thank you guys. Bye.
So this is the final result after bleaching my knots and plucking my knots. If you guys would like to see a full video on how I bleach my knots, I got you covered already. Go check out my last two videos, like my last video where I did a full install up here in the cards. But this is Nadula Hair. Oh my gosh, I really love it. I love how it took the curls. You can see these curls are really bouncy and defined. And yeah, and if you would like to see like an up, because I think I've gotten a hang of curling my hair and stuff, if you would like to see like a curling hair video, how I get bouncy curls like this, definitely let me know in the comments down below and I would film that video for you guys. Okay, let's get straight into the pros and the cons of this hair. First of all, this hair is beautiful. Like, I really have been wanting to try Nadula Hair, so I'm so happy that I finally got to try their wigs. Pro number one, guys, I love how thick this hair is. As you can see, like, it got, like, this is some density. I believe this is 150%, or how much density is this? Yeah, 150% density if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna put it up here on the right. And it's a T-part wig, so that's where the cons like will come about. I'll explain that later. But yeah, pros, I love the density. For 150% density, it's pretty thick, so kudos to that. I also love how it's able to hold the curls. As you can see, the curls came out really beautiful. So yeah, I'm loving it. And also, like, my technique this time was correct, so kudos to me too. Another pro, on my last pro, will be the fact that it was able to take bleach easily, so I didn't have to bleach for as long like I did with the Ali Pearl wig in the previous video. So like, the bleaching process was faster for this one. So yeah, those are the pros. Now on to the cons. One of the disadvantage I would say that I didn't really like, obviously it's a T-part wig, is that it's not a 3-part wig but obviously it's T-parts. The description clearly said T-parts. But yeah, if you want to be able to part your hair however you like, you can see my parting is kind of crooked. Maybe I should have shifted the wig a little bit to this side when I was gluing it down, but I was kind of in a hurry because I have other stuff to do today. But anyways, aside from that, like, the hair is good. But yeah, if you want like to be able to part your hair in any like line, any side, then you definitely need to get Nadula Hair. I'm pretty sure they have like 3-part wigs, so that would be like my disadvantage, because I love 3 parts. I love to be able to part my hair however I would like. Another disadvantage is the flyaways, which is obviously expected from wigs. Like, different wigs, they're definitely gonna have flyaways, because that's just that. It's normal, you know. I'm pretty sure if you have like this kind of hair texture, your hair has flyaways too. Probably you still have to tame your hair. Even my hair, sometimes I won't necessarily call it flyaways, but I still have to tame my hair somehow in order to get it to look flat. Like, when you're trying to gel your natural hair, like 4C hair girls, hey, when you're trying to gel your hair, you know, you're gonna put more gel so that your hair can lay flat. So that's the situation with this wig. I had to like spray it down and all of that so that it can be flat, but that's not a big deal for me because the flyaways is not as much. So yeah, aside from that, I really love this wig, and if you would like to purchase this wig, all the links will be in the description box down below. And thank you Nadula Hair for this wig because I'm loving it. But yeah, this has come to the end of this video. If you love the hair tutorial so far, definitely like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you love so far about my channel down in the description box down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys, and stay blessed, stay successful, stay everything. God bless you. Bye bye.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give
wig wear. Like this hair is giving. It's giving vibes. Vibes.com. One more dot USA. Ooh.
enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.